You have to talk to each other, guys. This is what it's all about. Teams on a boat. You have to talk to each other, decide who's going backwards, who's forwards. Okay, so you're all paddling backwards at the moment. So girls, if Callie at the back, you paddle on the opposite side. Put your hands over, you just paddle on this front side of the boat. And girls in the front paddle backwards. That's right and back. Callie at the back, you paddle forwards, big strokes, you've got 2 feet to the camera. Okay, well, it'll go round, a little bit grounded in the back, that might be one of them. Just paddle forward a stroke. All paddle forward, okay. Now go back to how you're doing it. Come on. That's it, big stroke in the back, Callie. That's it, nice one. It will wobble a little.